What's going on, ladies and gents? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and today's video is going to be like basically the finale of, not really the finale, I've kind of already done that, but this is kind of like a little photo shoot recap of the contest prep that I just finished for 2020. So don't want to make this too long-winded. If you followed along in this prep series, you know exactly what I've done, what I've gone through, how the virus affected my plans for competing, etc., etc. I don't want to beat a dead horse there. But I just got my professional photos back. I actually got them back quite a while ago. I just hadn't posted them yet. But this video has a little 2-minute and 13-second reel of some of the professional photos that I got for this competition prep. So just to kind of reiterate here, the competition got canceled. I prepped since November, so basically 21 weeks. Competition got canceled. Rather than giving up and throwing in the towel, I decided to book a professional photo shoot and illustrate the progress that I'd made for this competition prep. So that's what this little video or photo montage represents. Kara, our graphic design artist here at Keto Brick, she was kind enough to hook me up and fix this little video photo shoot montage up for me, so I hope you enjoy that. Just to kind of give you all a little heads up, I am incredibly passionate about ketogenic natural bodybuilding. If that was not yet known, hopefully it is now. I have dedicated my life to figuring this out. I'm not copying anybody else's prep protocol. This is just done through my trial and error, both on myself and through the hundreds of clients I've worked with over the years. I'm getting good at this stuff. I don't mean to put my, self on a pedestal. I don't mean to blow myself up a smoke, but I'm very proud of what I've learned in this process, what I've accomplished, and where I'm going with this. As such, I want to help share this knowledge because I feel like going through a competition prep in a ketogenic state is by far superior to any of the alternative dieting methods out there. I've done the other methods. They just aren't as good. They're not as effective. They're not as efficient, and they're not as healthy or sustainable, which is what you want. You want to make this sport of natural bodybuilding an enjoyable sport, and you want to be suffering the whole time. So, as such, I have started working on something very big. I've been working on it for a while now, but I'm making some pretty significant progress as we speak. I don't want to give away too many details just yet, but know that if you are wanting to get into ketogenic natural bodybuilding, you are about to have the world's greatest resource. That's all I got to say. Working on something, and hopefully that'll be live in the not too distant future. It'll probably be a little while because I'm kind of a perfectionist and I want to make it just amazing, but it's going to be worth the wait. I promise you that. Now, without further ado, sit back, relax. Hope you enjoy this 2-minute, 13-second montage of me without a shirt made by Kara. Thank you very much for the support. I could not have done this prep without you. I would not want to do this prep without you. You give my life purpose and meaning. I love you. I thank you. I'll talk to you soon.